Are you looking for ways to turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine? With over 1 billion active monthly users, Instagram has become one of the most popular social media platforms for businesses and influencers to promote their brands and products. But did you know that you can also make money directly from your Instagram account? In this video, we will explore 7 creative and effective ways to monetize your Instagram account and turn your passion into profit. From sponsored posts to affiliate marketing, we've got you covered. So, are you ready to learn how to make money with Instagram? Let's dive in. Number 7. Write captions for businesses. Instagram advertising costs have significantly decreased since only major firms could afford them. Brands of all sizes must utilize this platform to promote their goods and services, and 92% of independent businesses plan to invest more time and effort into social media advertising. While major businesses have excellent in-house content development teams, business owners regularly look for freelance expertise to save the cost of social media marketing. As a result, they frequently need to track out creative professionals that can write captions for their businesses at a low cost. Manage your Instagram page creatively to allow prospective firms to see examples of your caption creations. Number 6. Provide social media marketing training. Instagram has strong deal potential, so companies will increasingly need to use it to promote their products, connect with their target audiences, and increase sales. More than 25 million businesses and 2 million sponsors, according to Business Instagram, use Instagram. Brands need qualified assistance to boost their engagement on Instagram because the competition is rising. Overall, there is a huge need for social media marketing services. Businesses want a variety of methods to advertise their business and increase their Instagram following. Social media experts have several opportunities to find freelance work and utilize their expertise on Instagram. Number 5. Engagement boosting. Influencer promotion is a sort of online media marketing that includes support and product positioning from influencers, organizations, and people who have a proven level of expertise or social effect in their industry. An influencer is someone who has the potential to influence others' purchasing decisions based on their authority, knowledge, standing, or connections to their audience. A group of followers who have similar expertise and with whom the individual effectively locks in. Imagine you have a brand new Instagram account with a few followers and to focus on a certain subject. So what to do if you need similar followers? Of course, you may choose your Instagram-related subjects and use engagement boosting to gain the appropriate number of followers. There are several Instagram users that pay 1.5 rupees to advertise their newly created Instagram account to gain more followers. Hence, rather than promoting a brand new account, you may gain money if your account has a large number of followers, such as 50,000 to 1 million. While you may charge between $30 and $50 to advertise each account, it is not particularly simple to generate money from Instagram using this method. They will get in touch with you if they wish to advertise their account in this way. But you need to have a lot more followers on your own Instagram account if you wish to use this strategy. Simply put, you need to have more followers on your account. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way for influencers to earn money on Instagram. Essentially, this involves promoting products or services to your followers and earning a commission on any sales that result from your promotion. To get started with affiliate marketing, influencers need to join affiliate programs offered by various companies. These programs provide influencers with a unique affiliate link or code that they can share with their followers. When a follower clicks on the link or uses the code to make a purchase, the influencer earns a commission on the sale. One of the advantages of affiliate marketing is that it allows influencers to promote products that align with their values and personal brand. For example, if you are a fitness influencer, you might promote protein powder or workout gear that you genuinely use and enjoy. This can make your promotion feel more authentic and trustworthy to your followers. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is that it can be a passive source of income. Once you've shared your affiliate link or code, you can continue to earn commissions on sales made through that link without having to do any additional work. However, it's important to note that affiliate marketing is subject to certain regulations and guidelines, such as disclosing that a post contains affiliate links or codes. Additionally, it's important to only promote products and services that you truly believe in and that align with your values as an influencer. Number 3. Selling physical or digital products. Selling physical or digital products on Instagram is an excellent way to make money. Instagram's visual nature makes it a perfect platform for showcasing products and services, as users can easily share photos and videos of their offerings. To sell physical products, you can set up an online store, link it to your Instagram account, and post pictures of your products with descriptions and prices. Instagram users can then purchase the products by clicking on the link to your online store. Digital products, on the other hand, can be sold directly on Instagram. These may include ebooks, courses, templates, or software. To sell digital products, you can use services like Gumroad or Sendowl, which allow you to sell digital products directly on Instagram. Simply create a post or a story promoting your product and add a link to the checkout page. To be successful in selling products on Instagram, you need to create a strong visual presence that showcases your products in the best possible light. Use high-quality images and videos, add detailed descriptions and product features, and engage with your followers through comments, direct messages, and hashtags. By building a loyal following and a strong brand presence, you can create a thriving business on Instagram selling physical or digital products. Number 2. Selling content or images. What if you have a nice smartphone or a DSLR? If you are a skilled writer or professional photographer, this month is for you. As many of you are aware, selling photos online is another great way to earn money. You may earn money online by posting high-quality professional images to your own Instagram account. If you can write effectively, you can also work as a guest poster on many websites in addition to your own. By sharing this content or image, you may also increase sales for marketing. The website with stock images, when someone purchases one of your images, you are individually paid for the image download. The money earned, though, may be greater or less. That largely depends on the website that sells stock photos. By doing so, you may make money online by selling the photos you shoot for your Instagram account. Number 1. Sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are one of the most common ways for Instagram influencers to monetize their accounts. Companies and brands will pay influencers to post content promoting their products or services. These posts are usually marked as paid partnerships or sponsored to indicate that they are advertisements. To get started with sponsored posts, influencers need to build a strong following on Instagram in a specific niche or industry. Brands typically look for influencers who have a significant number of followers and high engagement rates. This means that the influencer's audience is actively engaging with their content through likes, comments, and shares. Once an influencer has built a following, they can start reaching out to brands in their niche or industry to pitch sponsored posts. Alternatively, brands may reach out to influencers directly to offer them sponsored content opportunities. Influencers must be transparent about sponsored posts and disclose that they're being paid to promote a product or service. Failure to disclose sponsored content can result in penalties from the Federal Trade Commission, or FTC. The amount that an influencer can earn from sponsored posts varies widely depending on their following, engagement rates, and the type of content being promoted. Some influencers may earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per post. In conclusion, sponsored posts can be a lucrative way for Instagram influencers to earn money while promoting products or services they believe in. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. With these 7 strategies, you can take your Instagram game to the next level and start earning money while doing what you love. Remember, building a successful Instagram account takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right approach, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. So go ahead and give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy Instagramming!